Hello everyone, welcome back to another tip from spidertip.com. Today we're going to talk about how to reset or refresh Windows 10 to factory default. So normally you will do this when you're having problem with your system and you want to set it back to how it came out when you first installed Windows 10 or when you first purchased the device. Please note that sometimes if you purchase it from a store, you might have a preloaded apps. So if you reset it, it will remove all those apps so that everything is wiped out except the operating system. But Windows 10 gives you an option to keep your personal files. For example, your personal files include documents, pictures, videos, favorites. So those things you can keep if you choose the option to keep your data. So let's see how this works. So in order to access the Windows recovery or Windows reset options, click Start, click Settings, and then click Update and Security. On the left panel, click Recovery, and then under the Reset This PC, click Get Started. Now these are the two options. So the first option is to keep your personal files, and the second option is to remove everything, wipe out your computer. So that includes your data, your applications, Windows apps, settings, data, like things that you downloaded, all your personal files, favorites, everything. It will basically reset the computer back to its original state by removing everything. So I'm gonna leave it there. So choose whichever option that suits what you need to do, and that will reset your computer. It will go through the menu and it will ask you to reset your personal account. So that's it for this video. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching.